I like everything about you. I like the way you make me feel. I like that what you say is true, and I can only hope that this love is real. Love is the greatest feeling. Love is like a play. Love is what I feel for you each and every day. Love is like a smile. Love is like a song. Love is a great emotion that keeps us going strong. I love you with my heart, my body, and my soul. I love the way I keep loving like a love I can't control. So remember when your eyes meet mine, I love you with all what my heart and I have poured my entire soul into you, bright, right from the very start. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires or from star like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As old time makes these daisy, so his flames must waste away, but a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thoughts, and calm desires, health, hearts with equal love, combined, kindle, never dying fires, where these are not, I despise, lovely cheeks or lips or eyes, I love you, and you know that's true, not your three words, wherever know, you have been the music of every song that my heart has ever sung strong. Our love is like a fire tile where there is a happily ever after with you. I know that I can't never fail, and with you by my side, I couldn't ask for me for more. Come, tell me now how you make me feel alive. You got that magic I am happy to have in my life. You are the only one at the end of the trying day. You are who you are, and I look at it that way. You arrived in an enchanting fashion like that. I run away from love, but I come running back. It's more than friendship. If you know the difference, you and I are just catch up in your feelings, the kind that does never rest. So it's time to embrace what we have for each other and to be truly together. She walks in beauty like the night of countless claims and stray kisses, skies, and all that's best of dark and bright meet in her respect, and her eyes thus mellowed to that tender light which heaven to guide day, Denise, one shady the more, one ray the less, head half impaired, the nameless grace which waves in every ravine, trees are softly lightness, oh ever her face, where thoughts certainly sweet express how pure, how dear their dwelling place, and on that cheek and o'er that brow so soft, so calm, yet eloquent, the miles that win, the thickness that glow but tell of days in goodness spent, a mind at peace with all below, a heart whose love is infinite,